Assalamu alaikum student of class ninth. There is a topic of language, that is tenses. In this topic we will discuss only two tenses, that is indefinite and continuous tense, regarding present, past and future. Okay, now student, take out your language copies, or if you don't have copies, you are having your register, then make a portion of language at the end of the copy and then start writing the work. Tenses: present, past and future, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Then put the heading of indefinite tense. Indefinite tense, present indefinite tense. It represents you in current situation. Use of first form, use of s or es with she, he and personal pronouns. Example: she writes a letter, they write a letter, I write a letter, you write a letter, he writes a letter, and last one is pronoun Ali writes a letter. Then start with the next page, next tense with the next page. Okay, if you are having your copy, if you are maintaining register, then you will carry on your work, okay, at the same page. Past indefinite tense: in this tense, use of second form will take place with all pronouns and personal pronouns. Okay, example, side heading: she wrote a letter, he wrote a letter, Ali wrote a letter, they wrote a letter, and you wrote a letter, we wrote a letter, and I wrote a letter. With all of the pronouns, we are expressing the second form of the verb, which I have explained you in the beginning of this tense. Okay, come to the next heading, which is future indefinite tense. Use of two helping verbs, will and shall take place. First form of verb will be used with will and shall. Okay, example is a side heading. Then I shall help you, he will help you, she will help you, they shall help you, we will help you, Ali will help you, and you will help me. So this is the last tense of future indefinite tense. I had explained you all of the indefinite tenses regarding present, past and future. Now come to the next one, which is the continuous tense. Continuous tense expresses you your feeling the work is going on. जो आप काम कर रहे हैं अभी इस वक्त, expressing it. So it shows that going on working. First form plus ing. Condition of the verb is first form के साथ आप ing यूज करेंगे. Example: she is driving a car, I am driving a car, you are driving a car, and they are driving a car, we are driving a car, and he is driving a car. Student, in this tense we are having three helping verbs: is, am and are. is used with singular. देखिए she, he के साथ हमने is यूज़ किया. So she, he, they are singular. That is why we have used is driving. Okay, then I के साथ हमने am यूज़ किया because of I. And then plurals जो हैं they, you, we, they are plurals, so that's why we have used are. But the condition of the verb, that is drive, driving ही है सबके साथ. So ing form will be used in all of the continuous tenses. Present हो, past हो या फिर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस हो, आपने फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing का ही इस्तेमाल करना है. कम टू द नेक्स्ट टेंस, that is past continuous tense. Was and were is used. It explained that work is going on again in past. फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing इज़ यूज्ड. द कंडीशन ऑफ द वर्ब हमने पहले एक्सप्लेन किया कि वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing यूज़ होता है और दो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं was एंड were. Was is used with singular and were is used with plural. So singular क्या है, he, she और I है या कोई personal pronoun. बाकी they, you, we के साथ आपने were यूज़ करना है. अब देखिए एग्जाम्पल्स में she was driving a car, I was driving a car, he was driving a car. Over here you were driving a car. बेटा I was mistaken, यहाँ आप were लिखिएगा, ठीक है. you were driving a car, they were and we were. you और we के साथ आपने were का इस्तेमाल करना है, ठीक है. ये टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है मुझसे. kindly correct it, okay, don't do it wrong, okay. now come to the next tense. next tense is future continuous tense. In this tense you are having two helping verbs, will be and shall be is used. Again the condition of the verb is first form plus ing and the work is going on. Now let us see some examples. She will be driving a car, I will be driving a car, Ali will be driving a car, they will be driving a car, he will be driving a car, you will be driving a car and we will be driving a car. Over here the most important thing is will be and shall be. We are using two helping verb, will be and shall be, with the first form of the verb drive then addition of ing. Okay student, for tenses you have to learn the forms of the verb. Kindly learn it by heart. Forms of the verb is not included in my syllabus, that's why I didn't express it to you. But as a student of class 9th you might be familiar, because in our 8th class I have also taught the forms of verb, in your 7th class, in your 6th class as well, I think so. So kindly go through the forms of verb, so in that way you might be able to attempt the change of tenses. And student, in this lecture I have just explained you the two tenses, that is indefinite and continuous, okay, by categorizing present, past, future, present, past and future. So just copy it down and remember the rules which I had explained, and learn the forms of verb. And students, kindly complete your literature copies, because your literature work is completely done and your copies should be completely submitted to me. And kindly submit your assignment as well. I have given you the assignment of transformation of sentences, okay, and you people have not submitted to me, all of you had not submitted to me. So kindly make sure that your assignment contain marks and it will be added in the result card as well. And your monthly test marks will also be added in the result card, okay. And your result will be on 19th of September in the school premises, and you have to come with the complete SOPs. And kindly get ready for the school, as school will going to start from 15th of September. So make sure your bags and everything should be ready, because I hope so you people are lost, you people had lost everything, you are not aware of anything, because after I think so 5 to 6 months you are having off and you are relaxing at home and you are getting only lectures and completing your work, and some of you are still sleeping, I think so. So kindly beta wake up and complete your work. If you don't have the notes, or if you are not following my lecture, you may come for the notes in the school timing from 9 to 12:30 at school. And for the checking of the copies, kindly come on Wednesday, as Wednesday is the meeting day and submission of assignment and checking of the copies. Kindly come to school with complete SOPs. And students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.